Don't ever buy watch hour as a YouTuber. I understand you are yet to complete your 4,000 watch hours, but never you look for a shortcut in completing it. You have completed your 1,000 subscribers and somebody is now coming to you telling you that they can help you, or they have a better way, or there is a site. Avoid, in short, run away from them. Reason why I'm telling you this is because a lot of YouTubers, both the small YouTubers and the big YouTubers, have gotten their account demonetized because of their previous suspicious activities on their channel. And you will not want to go through that route, because see, building yourself as a YouTuber is not something you should joke with. It is not easy. You take your time in building your video, in making research, making sure everything is fine, only for you to go and throw it away in the gutter, which I wouldn't advise you to go through that route. So I will be sharing with you 5 ways you can actually apply in completing your 4,000 watch hour in a very short period of time. This have helped me, help my colleagues, and I believe this will also help you, as long you are willing to actually do what I'm going to be telling you in this video. So in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I make videos like this, you get to benefit. All right, I actually create videos on YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and then video editing tips. Now let's dive into the video. The first thing you are going to be doing as a YouTuber, in order to be able to complete your 4,000 watch hours, is to find yourself on YouTube. What do I mean finding yourself on YouTube? I mean you need to discover your purpose here on YouTube. Why are you here? What kind of content do you create? This will enable you to understand why you are here, and why others will also know why you are here, or the value you have to contribute to their lives or to their channel as well. Now, which is what? Your niche. So number 1 is your niche. Find yourself around trending niche, not just a niche. Don't come here and be doing lifestyle for us. Nobody cares, or nobody want to know about your lifestyle. Everybody wants to be. YouTube is a platform for educational content. So if you are going to be showing us even by your lifestyle, you have to make it educational or beneficial to everyone who is going to be watching. But I will advise you go into educational content, tourism, health or sports or finance. These are kind of trending niche that can enable you to easily have viral videos on your page. And you know what that means? Having viral videos on your page, this will enable you to easily complete your 4,000 watch hours without any shortcut. Number 2 ideas is jumping on trend around your niche. So meaning, aside from finding a niche for yourself on YouTube, you also need to follow or subscribe on other people's channel who are doing all the same thing you are doing. For example, let's assume you find yourself around sports, as in like you are a YouTuber who creates content around sports. Go ahead and subscribe to others who are also around doing sport content. This will enable you know what they are talking about or what is trending for the moment, and then you take that opportunity. One thing you need to understand is that your click-through rate, meaning ability for people to click on your videos, will enable you have more viral videos or viral chances in completing your watch hours as a YouTuber, which is our number 2. Always jump on trend. Number 3, you are going to be posting for 30 days non-stop. Yes. See, you cannot call yourself a YouTuber. You post today and you are waiting for 3 days or for 1 week or for 1 month before you post another video. So what now happened to your audience? You are keeping them hanging. This will enable them. See, if you don't post regularly, they will forget about you. So as a YouTuber, you have to make, and you are willing to complete your 4,000 watch hour, make sure you take this as a challenge to yourself by posting from day 1 to day 30 without missing a day. You will have a better chances of going viral. Number 4, make sure as a YouTuber, your videos are within these 30 days, your videos are from 0 to 8 minutes. Okay, do not, from 8 minutes and above. Do not create videos that are lesser than 8 minutes. Reason why you should be creating videos that are above 8 minutes or 8 minutes is because if peradventure you have any opportunity of having any viral video, then these views you are going to be getting from these 8-minute videos will be giving you massive watch hours. Because if you have a viral videos on 3-minute video, you are not going to, okay, for example, let's assume you create a 3-minute video and that video hit 100,000 views, you might be having like 1,500 views. So imagine if you now create, if that video was now 8 minutes, if that video is 8 minutes, then you are likely to even have more than the watch hour you are looking for. So our number 4 is making sure you do what? You post above 8 minutes. All right. Number 5, don't change a niche. Yes. You see these 8 days you are going to be posting, do not change a niche. Remember, you already have a targeted audience, so you changing a niche, automatically you're already confusing your audience and the algorithm. So the algorithm will fail from knowing where or who to choose or to push your video to. So make sure that if you find yourself around sport, keep on pushing videos around that sport. If you find yourself around finance, keep on pushing video around finance. Do not post sports today, then you now see one of your colleagues, you now see another person who is doing finance and that finance video is now going viral, you now switch again. Or you now see another person who is doing lifestyle, you now switch. No, that is not how to grow on YouTube. When it comes to I'm on every other platforms, but one thing I've learned on as a YouTuber is that you need to take things accordingly, and you have to be disciplined. YouTubers are disciplined creators, not just half-baked creators. So you have to be disciplined. So jumping around niches will not help you. So go ahead, try those 5 ideas I've just shared with you. These have helped me and they can help you as well. So in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make videos like this, you get to benefit. I actually create videos on editing tips, YouTube tips, and Facebook tips. So which means my channel is just a go channel for you. All right, see you in my next video. Thank you.